Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss an important topic relating to the recommendation of a law book relating to non-deleting or non-taking away the book even though it is banned by the state, and ultimately the principal of the college was fixed liable. FIR was registered against the principal of a college. That to which college? Law college. Who is the complainant? LLM student. Very peculiar case. So please get ready to note the case. Right. Anyway, now Supreme Court has come to the rescue of the principal. Supreme Court stays the arrest of the former Indore Law College principal in an FIR over the so-called library book. So this book is communal. Okay, I will tell you when the time comes later. So the matter is discussed by Honorable Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud and Pamadikhantam Sri Narasimha. They have issued stay orders for the arrest of the so-called principal. His name is Dr. Inam Rahman. Inman Rahman. He was of course, he has resigned very recently. So therefore, he is actually former principal of the said Indore's new law college. So actually, this book is termed as Hindu phobia by certain category of people, not all people. The name of the book is Collective Wisdom, Collective Violence and Criminal Justice System. Actually, it was written by Dr. Farhan, authored by Dr. Farhan and another, and it was published in the year 2014. But the present government or BJP, certain people, particularly I can say BJP people, they are having actually grounds against the book because it is spreading communalism or spreading actually against the so-called principles of the BJP and other things, and therefore one LLM student, I think by name I will tell you, Lucky Adiwal. His name is Lucky Adiwal. So he has complained to the police. So the police registered a case under 153A and also 295A. 153 is creating differences between different communities basing on language, race, culture, all these things. 295 is almost same. Acts intended to outrage the so-called religious differences between the parties. So under both these sections, an FIR was registered in Bhavan Karan PS. So against number 1, Dr. Inaur Rahman. Number 2, Dr. Farhad Khan, who is the author, and Amar Law Publishers, who have published the book. Right. Actually, it has taken a political turn as the Home Minister Narottam Mishra, he ordered the Indore police or Indore Commissioner of Police to conduct an inquiry or probe into the allegations by the ABVP, BJP, ABVP allegations that this book is spreading anti-national and objectionable content. So actually, the matter has been discussed from 2014 itself. At that time, the Abdul Noor Rejiman, he was only a professor. He was not the principal. And the library, the book was purchased, the book written by the so-called Farhat Khan. It was purchased by the so-called college. And actually, the book was there. This is the main problem. So even though the government stated that they are conducting an inquiry, officially the book is not banned. This is another problem. Officially the book is not banned. So therefore it is there in the library. So this Inar Rahman might have, I don't know, might have asked the people to go and refer to the book. And when this LLM student, who is a IBVP actor, he has found the book, so he got irritated, they are given a case. So luckily, so please remember, actually, even though it is banned, officially not banned. So now the important point here to discuss is even though FIR was registered, even though Commissioner of Police is conducting inquiry, the main point is he was not the principal. How can he be arrested? How can it be said that he is creating the so-called different religious sentiments? This is not a case for arrest. So very clear. He was just a professor of the college And when the book was purchased, he was not the principal. Then how can he be fixed responsibility? So therefore, Supreme Court clearly stated that this is not a fit case for arrest. You have made out more than an abundant case. So collective violence and jurisdiction. Everybody has got a freedom of expression. So if it is banned, yes, definitely the book have been left out the library, but it was not done. So the case was lodged only for political reasons. So he was not the author, he was not the principal, he was just a professor at that particular time. But in this connection, it is pertinent to note that the Honorable High Court of Indore, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, they have dismissed the anticipated bail petition, regular bail petition. Ultimately, therefore, the matter has to come to the Supreme Court. Very recently, Honorable Central Minister for Law and Justice, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, he also commented that Supreme Court need not take up the bail petitions, but here, in such a case, if the Supreme Court did not interfere, what would have been the fate of the ex-principal? Already he got, because they are sensitive people, teachers, they are very, very sensitive. He has immediately resigned for the job. He has left for the job. He is no more a principal of a particular college. So very peculiar incident. Anyway, Supreme Court has come to the rescue of the so-called principal of Indore's new law college and stayed the arrest. So if you know this much, it is sufficient. So as students, be careful. Don't have the so-called political feelings. Right? Thank you very much.